In the silent depths of space, beyond Earth's fragile blue veil, lies a world frozen in time, Mars. At first glance, it appears lifeless, a barren desert of dust and stone. But as we slowly descend toward its surface, the landscape begins to whisper secrets written across billions of years. The camera draws closer, and the horizon rises. Ancient hills emerge from the haze, their slopes carved by forces long vanished. These formations are not random. Their layered faces tell a story, each stratum a page in a planetary archive. Wind, gravity, and time have sculpted these mounds grain by grain, shaping them into monuments of geological memory. We glide forward. The ground below sharpens into focus, revealing a scattered field of rocks. Some are smooth, some fractured, others strangely polished. These stones were not always here. They have traveled, shifted, and settled through ages of dust storms and shifting sands. Their surfaces hold microscopic clues, mineral signatures that may record ancient water, chemical reactions, or even traces of environments that once resembled early Earth. Closer still. The terrain transforms into intricate textures, rippled sand patterns frozen mid-motion like waves turned to stone. These delicate ridges show how Martian winds once danced across this land, arranging particles into rhythmic designs. Each curve marks a direction. Each line is a fossilized breath of the planet's atmosphere. We approach a solitary rock formation. Layered and weathered, it rises like a relic from another era. Its bands reveal cycles of deposition, burial, and erosion, processes that may have taken millions of years. On Earth, formations like these often form in lakes or riverbeds. Here, on Mars, they raise a profound question. Did liquid water once flow across this now silent world? The camera lifts for a final view. A broad slope stretches into the distance, scattered with fragments of ancient crust. This is not merely a desert, it is a geological archive untouched by life as we know it, yet rich with clues about planetary evolution. Mars is quiet, but not empty. Its rocks speak in the language of science, a language we are only beginning to understand. And as we drift above its timeless surface, one realization becomes clear. Mars is not just a planet we observe, it is a story we are still learning to read.